Hello and welcome back. We're just continuing on with today's puzzle. Just a reminder before we get started, please do like and subscribe. It does help the channel out. Looks like today we're starting with number 139. Let's start with this box here. Looks like we're missing 1, 6, and 9. We've got a 9 here, so 1, 6, a 1 here, so 6, 9, and a 6 here, so 1, 9. If we look at this column, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4. We're missing 5, 8, and 9. We've got the 5 here, so 8, 9. 5 here, so 8, 9. That means our 5 has to be here. We look at this row, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We're missing 6, 7, and 9. We've got a 6 here. So 7, 9, up, and a 7 and 9 here. So this is our 6. That makes this our 9 and our 7. That 9 makes this our 1 and our 6. If we look at this column then, looks like we're missing a 2, 4, and 8. No help here, so 2, 4, 8. No help here, 2, 4, 8. We've got a 2 here, so 4, 8. If we look at this row, looks like we're missing 1, 2, and 8. We've got the 8 here, so 1, 2, 1, 2. That means our 8 has to be here. To finish out this box, looks like we're missing a 3 and a 7. We've got a 7 here, so 3, 7. For this column now, we've got 1, 2, 3. We're missing 4 and 8. I don't see any help. So 4, 8, 4, 8. If we look at this row, we've got 1, 2, 3. We're missing 4 and 9. I don't see any help. So 4, 9, 4, 9. If we work on this row, looks like we're missing 2, 4, 5, and 8. We've got a 5 here, so 2, 4, 8. And an 8 here, so 2, 4, 5. So if we look, that means the only place our 5 can be is here. If we look at this column, we've got 1, 2, we're missing 3, 4, 6, and 9. Got a 3 here, so 4, 6, 9. 3 and a 6 here, so 4, 9. Got the 6 here, so 3, 4, 9, and the 3 and the 6 here, so 4, 9. So the only place our 3 can be is here, and the only place our 6 can be is here. All right. We work on, let's do this row. We're missing 1, 2, 4, 8, and 9. We've got a 1 here. So 2, 4, 8, 9. We've got 1, 2, 8, and 9 here. So this is our 4. Makes this our 8 and our 9. This has to be our 2, which means this has to be our 1. That 9 makes this our 4. So we can get rid of these 4s. work on this box. We're missing 3, 5, and 9. We've got 3 and 5 here, so this is our 9. A 5 here, so 3, 5. Oh, this 8 makes this our 4. And then we can get rid of this 4. For this column now, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We're missing 7 and 8, and I don't see any help. So 7, 8, 7, 8. For this column, looks like we're missing 2 and 3. We've got a 3 here, so 2, 3. For this column, we've got 1, 2, 3. We're missing 4, 6, 8, and 9. We've got a 4 and a 6 here, so 8, 9. 6 and 9 here, so 4, 8. And that means the only place our 6 can be is here. For this bottom row then, we've got 1, 2, 3. We're missing 4, 8, and 9. We've got an 8 here, so 4, 9, and no help here, so 4, 8, 9. For this row, we're missing 1, 4, 7, and 8. No help here, 1, 4, 7, 8. We've got an 8 here, so 1, 4, 7. Oh, but we've got this 9 over here, which makes this our 8, and that would make this our 4. This 8 would make this our 9, and this 8 would make this our 4. That 4 would make this our 9, and the 4 and 9 means this is our 8. Let's do some cleaning up here. So we can get rid of this 8, this 4, this 4. This 9 makes this our 4, 9. That 9 makes this our 8, which would make this our 2, 8, 2. And that 8 makes this our 7, 8. All right, let's finish off this box. Looks like we're missing 4, 7, and 9. We've got a 4 and 9 here, so this is our 7. 9 here, so 4, 9. This 2 makes this our 1, 2. That 1 makes this our 7 and 1. And there we have it for today's puzzle. Thank you so much for joining me again today. I hope you have a really good day, and I will see you back here tomorrow for our next puzzle.